Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use Revolve, Extrude, and Hold. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint in the center of this part. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create a center line because we use the Revolve features to make this body. And this center line has 200 millimeters of length, and the center of this line is in the midpoint. And then we will make this two line here. This line here has 60 millimeters. It is the radius of this body, okay? And this line here has 20 millimeters of length. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a line, make a line here with 200 millimeters of length, a vertical line. And to make this line in the center, go to constraints and select the midpoint, select this line and select the center point, okay? And select a line again, click here in this point, make a line with 60 millimeters and create a line here with 20 millimeters. Move this dimension here a little bit. And now we will create this line and this one. And the angle between this line here and this is 45 degrees. And this line here has 100 millimeters of length. And the distance between this line and the midpoint is 30 millimeters, is the radius, okay? So select a line again, click here, make a line here, and make another line here. Go to sketch dimension. The angle here is 45 degrees. And this line here has 100 millimeters of length. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint or the center line is 30 millimeters. Okay. And now in the bottom here, we will create the same three lines. So click here in the midpoint, make a line here, make a line here, and another line here. And go to constraints, select equal, select this line and this one. Select this line here and this one. Okay. And now we use the Revolve features to make the body. So finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The revolve a sketch profile around an axis. So the axis will be the center line and the profile is this one. The angle 360 degrees. Operation new body and press OK. We made this body here. And now we will create this cut here. We have a square in the center. This square has 25 millimeters and it is through all this body. So here go to create a sketch and select the front plane again. And select the 2-point rectangle. And here select center rectangle. Click here in the midpoint. Make a square here. 25 by 25 millimeters. And make sure that this square is in the center and finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile. And this cut is through all this body. So the direction, we use symmetric. And the extend type, select all. And the operation here is cut. So we will make this cut, press OK. And now we will make this hole here. This hole has 20 millimeters of diameter and it is through all this body. Look this, through all this body. We have two ways to create this cut. We can select the top face and create a sketch, a circle with 20 millimeters, and extrude the cut through all this body, or you can use the hole. So in this exercise, I will use the hole. So select the hole and select this face. And to add reference, select this arc here because this hole is concentric with this arc. And the extend, select the all. And the hole type, select the simple. And the diameter here is 20 millimeters. And press OK. We made this cut here. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.